So today we are once again going to talk about using the making 10 strategy to solve a math problem. So Mrs. May is going to write a math problem up on the board. You're going to solve it using your counters. You're going to tell me what to do. If I had 8 plus 5, how would I solve 8 plus 5? What would I do first? Zachary.
You would think of the crocodile mouth, and then you put a 2.
Why do I put a 2 on top, Zachary?
Because 8 plus 2 equals 10.
8 plus 2 equals 10, and we're trying to make a 10. And now we need to break apart that number 5, right? So we have 5, and we're going to make 5 little counters. If you have 5 counters, you can just use them. How many did we take away? 2. So we're going to take away 2 of the counters. How many counters are left?
3.
3. So we put a 3 down here. What's 10 plus 3?
13.
Now, if I was using my counters, how would I solve this? Jonah.
You would put 8 on the top, 8 red, and then on the bottom you could put out 5 yellow. I forgot. Then you could, this is one way you solve it, take a 2.
Hold on, just wait. I'm going to do my 5 yellow, and then we'll talk about it in just a second.
And I see some of you have all red, and the reason that I have a hard time understanding what strategy you're using is because the colors are super important here. Because you can see your 2 different add-ins that way. Those are the numbers that you're adding together. If you have 8 of one color, I can see what number you're representing.
Which means what Mrs. Clark is saying is you need to make sure your top is
so
red,
red,
Connor, and your bottom
red.
is yellow. So Connor, fix yours. It should be 8 on top, that's red, and 5 on bottom, that's yellow.
Miss May, you did 6 on the bottom.
Oh, hold on.
Oh,
That can't
Mrs.
be
May
6.
did do
No,
6.
No, stop. Okay, look. So to make 8, look. How many is this? Start here.
Okay, so
Without
now what
counting,
do I
without
do?
counting, how many is in a row?
Weston?
Count on from there.
You
5.
put 2 yellow up into
Okay, and how
the
many are
red.
you supposed to have?
Okay, you will see that that is
No.
the same
How
strategy because
I
you're
know,
taking
honey.
2 and giving it to the 8
8.
to make 10, right?
Now,
And then you see how many's left over. 1, 2, 3. So you put the 3 there and you have 3 left over.
So there's 1.
Okay, the worksheet that you guys have, Mrs. May is going to try and pull it up really quickly because the iPad that we're using, we're recording today. So I'm going to pull this up. While I pull that up, I'm going to put one for you guys to solve. So solve this while I'm pulling that up. I want you to solve
I will wait for you.
7 plus 6.
I like how you know that's fine, but that's not what we're doing.
7 plus 6. Solve that. While Mrs. May pulls up
You're
the
specifically
worksheet.
using the make a 10 strategy, so that's what you are going to practice right now. So show me how you can move them to make a 10. Good. Okay. Now can you look at it and tell how many there are? Yes, because how many is up here? And then plus how many is down here? What is 10 plus 3? Nope, no counting. That's why. So, no.
Don't write it down yet. Just
So
try
think
and
about
solve
the
it.
number 10.
Thanks, Weston. I just gotta pull this up.
Okay, so if you have, look, can you picture this like a 10 stick? Okay. Then,
Jonah, grab a blur chip.
so 3 ones, good job. So if you have 1 10 and 3 ones, what number does that make? Nevaeh, if you'll focus on what you're supposed to be doing and not worry about what's going on over there, you'll have this done in no time. Good job. Good. So if that helps you,
It's
take out like
already
10s
on
and
there.
1s. This is 1 stick of 10 and 3 ones, and it makes the number 13. Good.
Sorry, guys. My backup plan.
It's basically already on there. What about plan C?
I gotta go to our backup plan for the day.
Is your internet not working?
Well, I was gonna just show the thing up on the board, but I'm recording, so I can't.
Oh.
I have to get it back and put it up on my.
Oh. Okay, let's practice some of these. So what if we have 10 plus 4? Okay, focus on this. 10 plus 4.
Yeah. Here, you can use mine.
Mm-hmm.
No, because I still
So
can't
how
use
many
that.
10s and
to
how
show
many
you
ones?
because
What number do we
you
write in
use.
10?
8 plus.
And then
Okay.
how many ones? What number is that? No?
Okay, class.
Now let's think about this. To make 40, we would
Okay,
have to
show
have
me what you
4
did.
That doesn't make sense.
What did you do? Hallie, what did you do?
10 and then 4 more. So anytime when you have a 1 and a 10 place, it's a team number. Good job. If you have 1 and a 10, that's a team number. Good. So that's 14.
Then I had
What about
10,
4
and I
plus
had
10?
3 left over, and I got 13.
So Hadley said
This is
she saw there were 3 blank spaces, so she moved the 3 up to make a 10.
10 plus 3.
And she had 3 left over, so she had 10 plus 3, which equals 13. So if we were going to solve that using our number bond, we would break the 6 up. We would have 3 that goes to the 7, and then we would have 3 left over. So 7 plus 3 is 10, and then we'd have 10 plus 3 equals 13.
What about 9?
Okay, the worksheet that you're doing,
19.
Good job. What about 10 plus 2? What about 5 plus 10?
that's what I'm
Once you get to this point, then you can think, well, that's 1 in the 10s place. That means it's going to be a team number.
Okay, so we are going to work on
Good job. Yep, that's what we're going to start right here.
doing number bonds, and it tells you which number you're breaking apart. So let's look at this first one together. It says 8 plus 5 equals 13. They know because they broke apart the 5. How do you know what to break 5 into? Well, you guys told me yesterday, whatever's going to make 10 with the 8. 8 plus 2 makes 10, so we put our 2 here. Then we have the number 5. We took 2 away, so we had 3 left over, so that's what you write here is a 3. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Let's do this next one together.
This is super duper important.
Okay, so we have 6 plus 5. What number do we need to make 10 if we have 6? Raise your hand. If we have 6, what number do we need to make 10? You can do that by holding up 6 fingers in the air. Count how many are left down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what number do we need to make 10?
4.
So we're going to put a 4 right there. To help us know what goes with 4 to get 5, we can draw 5 counters. And if we take 4 of them away, how many's left?
1.
So we put a 1 right here. 6 plus 4 equals what?
10.
10 plus 1 equals?
11.
So do that on your board. Catch up. Do that on your paper. Catch up to that, and then we'll do the next one together. And then I'm going to have you work on this worksheet by yourself.
No, babe. So look, 6
So all these equal 10.
and 4. If you hold up the other 4, how many is that?
The answer to this one is 11.
That's 10. That's why you just did that, because she wanted to get to 10. So when you said 6 are up and 4 are down, that makes all 10. Okay? That's 10. 6 and 4 love to go together to make 10.
Connor, do you have a question, or did you already answer it?
10.
I did.
6 and 4 make 10.
No, we're going to do it together. Okay.
Okay?
All right. So what do we need to have with 9 to get to 10? 9 plus what equals 10?
1.
So if I had 2 counters and I take one of them away, how many do I have left?
1.
So what's 9 plus 1?
Look, watch my hands. Watch my
10
hands.
plus 1 equals?
1, 2,
So what's the answer?
4.
Do number this box by yourself, and then we'll check it as a class, and then I'll let you work on it by yourself.
But look at my fingers.
So do this box right here by yourself.
1. So look, isn't 4 and 1? If
I'm going to come see how we're doing.
And then I hold up 1
to
So
get
look,
10.
we broke 5 into
Hold
4
up 7
and
fingers
1.
and count how many
We
are
put
left.
the 4 over here with the group of 6.
Okay, so
now
put
we have
3 in
1
the
left
circle.
over. So bring that 1
Now
right
draw
here.
your 4 counters and take 3 away.
Nope, start at the top. All of our numbers start at the top. There we go. So now we made a group
Now
of 10.
take 3 away.
And we have a group of 1. How many is that in all? Good job. So
What's
it is
left?
6 plus 5. Good.
Okay.
All right.
And
Right
what's
here.
7
Here's
plus
what we're gonna
3?
do. We're gonna put this down so we know what to write. Hold up 9. We're trying to make 10.
So you write that
So
there.
if you have 9 up, how many are down?
Plus, what's
1.
left over
Good. So we put a 1 there. So
equals
now
what?
grab your pencil and write. If we had 9 and we put 1 more with that, how many does that make?
Can we do this over?
Start at the top.
Nope.
No, don't go back up.
Okay,
No,
let's
just-
check that, and then yes, I will let you do it by yourself. Okay. What do we need with 7 to get to 10? Everyone?
Good. Remember we writing, babe.
So I'm going to draw 4 counters. If I took 3 of them away, how many would be left?
Hold up 2.
So 7 plus 3 equals?
1 over to go
10
over
plus
here.
1
Good
equals?
job.
So our answer is 11. Do the rest of this packet by yourself,
Good.
and then we're going to work on math games.
All right.
So you're going to do the rest of the packet by yourself, and then you can play math games.